Do you love fishing, kayaking, and big, beautiful houses, but don't want to pay lakefront prices? Well, this spacious four-season home sits right on Autumn Lake for your enjoyment anytime you want. This is Corey Franks with the RE/MAX Jason Whittle All-Pro team, and this is 75 Autumn Lake Drive. Let's go check it out. As you walk inside, the home presents an open, split bedroom floor plan. The home sits at 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a 3-car garage, and has this awesome kitchen with LVP flooring, granite countertops, black stainless steel appliances, and a gas range. The lower level is an entertainer's dream. You can watch the football game over here, head on over and shoot a game of pool, play pop-a-shot, hang around the bar, or head out to the lower patio and enjoy the hot tub. Thanks for tagging along on the tour of this beautiful Four Seasons home. If you'd like more information or to schedule a showing, you can contact us at 800-836-2005 or visit our website at jasonwhittle.com and we'll take care of you. Thanks and have a great day.